couple of weeks ago I made this video on these caroling gnomes, and they're cute, they're fun, they're fairly easy to make. But longtime viewer David Walser pointed out an easier way, and I want to share that way with you. You're going to turn the head as you did before with the little nose, but the difference is instead of cutting off while it's on the lathe, cutting the wedges, you're going to go ahead and complete that cylinder and part it off. You're going to turn the hat the same way as you did before, get it round, but before you finish final shaping, you're going to drill a hole with a twist bit, and I suppose you could use a Forstner, you just may have to experiment, but you're going to drill it about 1/2 to 5/8 of the size of the diameter of the head. When you turn the head, make sure that when you measure the diameter, you turn the head from the nose side the same size. This is a little bit short, and as a result it leaves just a little bit of a gap. You're going to turn the body the same way, and you're going to shape it. Then you're going to drill a hole about 70% of the diameter of the head. So measure the head, and that's going to be from the highest point in the back. I hate it when I do that. It definitely damages the teeth. And then, as several of y'all pointed out, when you use a saw on the lathe, be sure to put a board down here in the path so you don't damage the lathe bed or the saw like I did. I welcome your tips and questions, and especially your suggestions, as I did this one by Dave Walser, because sometimes y'all have great ideas. And when you have questions, feel free to chime in on someone else's question or with a tip. And I want to wish all of y'all a Merry Christmas, and remember, y'all stay safe. Come on back, you hear?